Hi, and welcome to our step-by-step video tutorial on DocDigitizer free trial. This video aims to provide you a comprehensive overview on how to use DocDigitizer free trial API, as well as to provide answers to frequently asked questions. DocDigitizer is an API as a service, which means in practice that we don't have available any user interface to test DocDigitizer. To make the tests easier and not dependent on lines of code, we typically suggest to test our API via Postman. Postman is a free and easy-to-use API client that will enable you to perform requests to DocDigitizer API, both to submit your documents as well as to retrieve data. So before starting, please go to postman.com and download for free their desktop application. During your free trial kickoff, our customer success team will share with you a Postman package already configured with your API key that you can easily import on Postman app using the button on the top left. This will add to your Postman environment a set of 3 endpoints for your DocDigitizer free trial. Submit and annotate the given file that allow you to submit your documents to DocDigitizer. Get details of a task that allow you to query the processing status of a document, and get details of a document that allow you to retrieve data from a particular document. To start, you may open the Submit and Annotate a given file endpoint. Select the Body section, and on Files, you can select the file you want to upload. I will pick up this Google invoice. After selecting the file you wish to upload, you just click Send, and you will get back this response saying that your document was accepted, is now pending, and the processing task has this unique ID. This unique ID will be used to query the status of the processing task, as well as to get back the data on the following steps. Please be aware that DocDigitizer is an asynchronous API, which means that your document will be processed through an intelligence mix between our AI and our data curators. That combined will ensure that all the data that you will get back is 100% correct. This means that your document data will not be available straight away. In fact, if you call the get details of a task endpoint with your task ID, you will get back this response. And in this response, you see that the data is still empty and also that the review flag is false. This means that your document is still pending and still waiting for processing. So grab a cup of coffee and try a few minutes or hours later. Please be aware that our processing lead times of our free trial can go up to 8 business hours. Once the document is processed, the review flag will be set as true, and you will get access to the data schema of your document. As you see here, some of the fields will be null or empty, although they might be present on your document. The reason why is that our free trial is set up to process invoice headers, so all of the other fields will be ignored. On our paid version, you may activate them or even add new fields to this data schema. Sometimes you might have documents where the data schema is empty and the document class is unknown. As you see here, the flagged review is true, but also the rejected field is true. These are documents that were rejected by DocDigitizer. Most of the times, the rejection is related to the fact that you might be submitting documents outside the scope of your license. So although DocDigitizer is capable to process any type of document, our free trial only supports invoices. So don't be surprised when getting back a rejected document when you submit other types of documents. This closes our step-by-step guide where you learn how to use DocDigitizer API via Postman application. Reach out to us if you have any question or if you find any roadblock during your free trial period. Thank you very much.